Hi, welcome back. I've just booted up again. You see it in the conky here. And a Super F7 works again. And how did I do? What did I do to fix it? It was pointing to something in here. A config was pointing to an error in here. I just deleted the folder, started up VirtualBox again. And there it is. It's back. So, always common sense for these things. That's the best thing to do. But I'm looking for something that I don't have, that I don't seem to have. Well, actually, let's quickly include it in the video. So add a new one, right? So I always use a template. So that was what I was looking for. And then Linux or Oracle 64, forget about it. We have Arch Linux somewhere. Yes, proud to be on Arch. That's it. 16, half of it. Next. Around 30 is more than enough. 25, somewhere there. Create. Depends if you're going to do a full plasma. Yeah, you take a little bit more. Then settings. You go through all the tabs. Settings. If you want to go EFI or UEFI, you can do so, but at standard use these settings. Display VM, bad choice, very bad choice. Either this one or that one, okay? Remember. Okay, that's it. Then we're gonna clone this thing, and then we're going to call this Carli 5. And I hope we can show you what it's is that we've done. So optical, change the disk file, go to Eric, go to Carli, and inside is Carli 5, and in there with an out folder, and in there is the ISO. Up, double click, correct screen, good. Look at that. Control F. That reminds me, I should still change the logo. We have change that. Let's boot up. A little bit nicer. So don't want to see this again, so you click on this thing, and if you do Control F and again, no, click somewhere. I think we still need one more message to get from VirtualBox, and then everything is gone from all these messages we get all the time. Ta-da-da-da-da-da. Some of you will say now puppies power. Cartoon, or maybe 20, 30 years ago. So we have our plasma, we're booting up. Great, right? Is console in there? Or yes, it is. Yakuake is there as well. Yakuake. Yep, F12. So my keyboard is wrong. Set keyboard to Belgium, please. Then I say execute me Calamares. And then we get this. F12. But it's there, right? It is there. We have it. We have it on our system. Now we still need to figure out what to change in order to make it work and all that. But basically it's here. F12. Control C. Sudo pacman -S. Well, actually, update first, but update is ArcoLinux, so sudo pacman -S /yu, that's update. Live users, not the sudos. So we still have to do something about the live user. He can't update anything at this point in time. He's not part of the root, so that's an issue we still have. All I wanted to do is if I can actually see if KPM core is installed, but we know it's installed. So I don't know if I can do something here without my permissions, but let's call it today. This is the video to show, okay, the build is so far that Calamares is on there, and now we need to figure out what to do more and do also something about the live user not being root, It needs to get some more permissions and make a configuration file for Calamares. What we can do is have a look where things are not available. So what I would like to work for is to go to etc. There is no Calamares in here. I like my configurations to be in here in between these two guys, Calamares. What is here is the user bin Calamares. That's gonna be in here. And here it is, cal and Calamares, right? So cancel. And in the lib there is one Calamares there. So that's cool, that's okay, that's this one. And in the user lib and user share is another Calamares with all modules and our branding and all that. So that's cool as well. The thing that's left to do, and there are two options. Either change it here or use the configuration files that we're gonna put in here in the etc Calamares folder. Probably gonna choose that solution. All right, I'm out. This is our first build with Calamares.